Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another fun one, quick and easy one, but fun. This is another luxury this or that featuring Dior and Gucci. I have a Dior eyeshadow palette for you and a beautiful new Dior blush. I've got Gucci nail polish, a brow product, and a lipstick. So if you want to see how this all came together and what this really chic thing is on my head, just keep watching and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, you know, first I have to jump into my Breezy Tee product of the day. I am wearing our Portuguese Tile Print Silk Twill Skinny Scarf. Now, Portugal is a very important country for me. This is where I live right now. It's where my husband is from. So when we were talking about designs for our Silk Twill Skinny Scarves, we wanted to pay homage to Portugal. And if you're not familiar with Portugal, one of the things they're absolutely known for are their beautiful ornate tiles that you could find around the country. They're gorgeous. They come in lots of colors. And so we made a double-sided Silk Twill Skinny Scarf. So this side is white background with the tiles on it. Very, very pretty. I'm not gonna switch it today, but I wanted to show you the other side. The other side is a dark background with the tiles on those. And my husband designed this scarf himself, and I'm really, really pleased with how it came out. Really, really nice. Silk Twill is the standard and luxury for famed fashion houses around the world, and we are very proud of our Silk Twills. They come in prints. We have solid colors. All are double-sided, and you can check them out at our breezytee.com site or our Etsy shop, and you can find all the links in the description below. Okay, so quickly I have to talk about some new Gucci products that I'm wearing today. I just tried out their brand new eyebrow pencil. Now, I have their other eyebrow pencils in 3 and 4 that I really, really enjoy, but this one got me from first use. I just tried it. Super, super slim, sharp pencil here. It is angled, so it gets you, the line is easy. It gets you right where you want it to be quickly. This is number 4 that I have, and I just want to show you the color of number 4. So number 4 is a dark brown color. Really, really nice. And their spoolie on the other side, I really like their spoolies a lot. They're very strong and sturdy and get your eyebrows up and where you want them to be straight away. So very, very happy with this pencil on first go. I also grabbed one of their new nail polishes. This one is Melinda Green. Okay, this is looking a little bit brighter on camera than it is in real life, but really interesting color. Alessandro Michele, the creative director at Gucci, who oversees everything fashion and beauty, he's doing such interesting things, and I say it every time, and the same is true with the nail polishes. The colors are different, okay? They're unique colors, but a very pretty new bottle. And yeah, those are the first 2 products. We'll get to the lipstick one at the end of the video, but these are the 2 I wanted to start with. Just quickly, I wanted to show you the bottle for the initial nail polishes. I appreciate this one much more because it's unique. It's different shapes, so I really like the new bottle that they've come up with. Now let's move into some new Dior. There's gonna be a lot of Dior coming up on my channel. They just released their Birds of a Feather fall release that should have been out last year, but so it's on its way to me. So we've got more Dior coming. Dior has been a standout brand for me for this year. They've really just come up with interesting stuff that I'm really interested in. This one is the Cruise Look 022. I've had this for a while, but we're finally getting around to it, and I'm excited to swatch this and try this on the eyes. I really like the color story. I think it's very pretty, very everyday for me. And we're also going to try out a new blush from them, if I can open it. Beautiful orange color. Beautiful, beautiful orange color. We'll talk about this more when I get to the cheeks, but that's what we're doing today. We're gonna get into these new Dior products. Let's swatch and then come up with a look. So here are the swatches. Very, very pretty, beautiful satin shadows. They went on like butter. Really, really smooth. I'm excited to get a look together. Like I said, what I loved about this is the ease of the colors. Every day, kind of just throw something on your eyes. Okay, so we have the Cruise Look palette here. Let's get it on the eyes. Dior is making it so easy for these maturing eyes and this maturing skin. This went on really kindly and it blended out really easily, and I'm just really happy with this color story. These are my colors, but they're still very pretty, and these are what I gravitate towards these, because when you're investing, and a lot of times it is an investment into some of these luxury brands, you want to know that you're going to get use from them, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna just pick colors just to pick them. I need them to be colors that I know I will get use from, and this is very pretty. Again, really easy on the eyes, really to apply, very pigmented, so it didn't take a lot of time to pull a look together. Something else that's really important for me at this time in my life, I don't have, but I also have absolutely no desire to spend a lot of time putting on my makeup. So I want to just get in and out, get them on the eyes, get it on the face, and be done. And this palette did it very pretty. Very happy with this. This is the 5 Couleurs Couture 022 Cruise Look eyeshadow palette. Let's get to these cheeks. Okay, and now for this blush that I think will be a nice complement to this eyeshadow palette. This one is Autumn Mood, another beautiful new product from Dior. I feel like this might be one too that was supposed to come out last year, but it didn't because of you know what. But this is a beautiful vibrant orange color that I'm excited to get on the cheeks. Very pretty, and if you wanted like a monotone look, for sure this is one that you could swipe over your eyes too. And I don't really have this shade of orange in my arsenal, so I'm excited. Let's get this on right now. Did I just find my new best blush friend? I might have. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessing over this color. This orange on my skin tone, it's so complimentary. It's just like an extension. Oh, I absolutely love it. This Autumn Mood is everything. They did such a nice job. Now it is a matte formula and it was a little powdery applying it. However, you wouldn't know when it went on. It didn't apply chalky. It doesn't look chalky. It blended out so easily, so it wasn't like some mattes make you work a little bit. This didn't. It just glided over the skin. I'm obsessed with this color. I think it ties in beautifully with the eyes. And again, for my skin tone, love. Obviously, this color will look good on different skin tones, but I like how it's just sort of a natural sort of extension from my yellow undertones. This orange, perfect for now as a pop of color, but again, transitions beautifully into autumn. The leaves, all that stuff, those beautiful fall colors that we get. They have a winner here. I have another blush that I'll show in another video, a recent release of theirs, and 2 more blushes with the fall collection coming out. So there's a lot of Dior. Like I said, Peter Phillips, creative director of Dior Makeup, is doing a phenomenal job. Dior, I watched. Yes, that's pretty, but this has been a pretty consistent excitement for me for what Dior has been releasing about a year and change. I just think they're doing really solid stuff, and there's something there for everyone. There are color stories there for everyone, and most importantly, the formulas are really working nicely with my skin, my changing skin. So let's get to these lips now. And as Gucci does, they just casually released 5 new lipsticks, sheer lipsticks. Here's the case in the sheer lipstick case. Okay, the Voile sheer lipstick, and I picked up Love Is Better. Really pretty color that I can wear throughout the year, no problem at all. Really pretty. Excited to get this on. It is exciting to see these creative directors, Alessandro Michele, Peter Phillips, really putting their stamp on these brands and just bringing them to life with exciting looking products. I'm excited for these 2 brands and where they're going in the next year and beyond. Let's get this on the lips. Okay, first of all, this smells like berries and smells so good. This smells so good. If you don't know, that's something you're sensitive to scents. Gucci beauty products do come with scent. But this one smells like berries and it's perfect for this color. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm having a sheer moment right now in my world. I'm enjoying some sheer lipsticks. And this one is just another beautiful addition. Now I might go back and get another. This is my first Gucci sheer one, okay? I have other Gucci lipsticks, my first sheer one. I might go back and get one of the other new colors. I wanted to see how this one worked, but it feels really good. Moisturizing on the lips. You get some nice, beautiful color sheer, but clearly there's color there. Perfect for now, little lightweight situation on the lips. Happy with everything I did today. So that's it for me, guys. Let me know what you think. This was a quick and easy, a fun and easy video. It's always a good time when you enjoy everything you try on. Let me know if you grabbed this eyeshadow palette, the Cruise Look eyeshadow palette. Let me know if this blush, are you gonna grab it? This brand new blush from Dior, beautiful orange colors, is something that interests you. And Gucci, are you gonna grab any of the nail polishes? Did you grab any of the new sheer lipsticks? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what your favorite Dior or Gucci products are right now. You know, I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I always look forward to hearing what you have to say, so keep that coming below. And again, more Dior coming to you very, very soon. And if you want to check out any of our silk, twill, skinny scarves, t-shirt, hair towel wrap, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, and our other silk and linen hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. All information will be down below, including everything that I have on my face. I will catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.